Hi, this is Ricky, and if you are trying to enable recording in PowerPoint and you do not see that option available, you probably have a different version of Office that does not support that. So what we're going to need to do is uninstall the version that is installed on your computer and install the one that you get with your Office 365 account. To uninstall the current version of Office that you may have on your computer, click on the Start menu and then just start typing in the word Control, because what we want to find is the control panel. So when you open up the control panel, yours may look different than mine. Yours may look just like this. Either way, we need to click on the uninstall a program. If it looks like category, if it's set to large icons, we can still go down and find the programs and features here and get to it. Or if your control panel is set up by category, click uninstall a program. Either way, you need to scroll down to where it says Microsoft Office Professional. Yours probably says this, and then just click the uninstall button. It may or may not make you restart, but after you uninstall it and you restart, open up your favorite browser and go to office.com. And once you're in office.com, click on the button up at the top right that says Install Office. And it's going to download a little program. You're going to run it, and it's going to install all of the Office applications. Don't worry, all of your stuff will still be there. Then you'll have the latest version of PowerPoint, the one that enables recording like we want. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything else.